Welcome everyone to today's session on understanding software architecture. This is day 4 of our series on high level design, where we will dive deep into the concepts of software architecture, its types, and its practical applications. Let's get started. Today, our goal is to build a foundational understanding of software architecture. We will explore the distinction between architecture and design, different types of software architectures, and how to make informed architectural decisions. By the end of this session, we will also see some real world applications and understand the trade offs involved in architectural choices. Let's begin by clarifying the difference between software architecture and software design. Architecture focuses on the high level structure of a system, defining its components and their interactions, while addressing non-functional requirements like scalability and security. On the other hand, design deals with the internal details of individual components, including algorithms and data structures. To summarize the distinction, architecture concerns the overall system, its scalability, and fault tolerance, while design focuses on implementing the functionality of individual components. Both are critical, but they operate at different levels of abstraction. Software architectures can be broadly classified into different types, such as monolithic, microservices, and architectures. Each type has unique features and use cases, which we will explore in the following slides. In a monolithic architecture, all components are tightly bundled into a single application. While this approach simplifies development and deployment for small applications, it becomes difficult to scale and manage as the system grows, leading to tight coupling and a reduced flexibility. Microservices architecture divides the system into small, independently deployable services. This offers advantages like independent scaling and fault tolerance, making it ideal for large, complex systems. However, it introduces challenges like communication overhead and service management complexity. Layered architecture organizes the system into distinct layers such as presentation, business logic, and data access. This separation of concerns improves maintainability and testability but may introduce performance overhead in some scenarios. Client-server architecture is a model where clients request resources or services and servers respond to these requests. It's scalable with distributed servers but can face challenges like server overloading and security concerns in data transmission. In event-driven architecture, systems react to events triggered by user actions or system changes. This approach enhances responsiveness and scalability while promoting loose coupling between components. However, managing events and ensuring traceability can be complex. Choosing the right architecture depends on several factors such as scalability, performance, maintainability, and cost. Additionally, the specific needs of the system and its users play a critical role in guiding these decisions. Every architectural design involves trade-offs. For instance, while microservices offer scalability, they add complexity. Similarly, layer architecture enhances modularity. It can introduce latency. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial for effective decision making. Here are some real-world examples. Traditional enterprise applications often use monolithic architectures, while companies like Netflix and Amazon leverage microservices for scalability. Layered architecture is common in banking systems and enterprise applications. To recap, software architecture defines the overall structure and interactions within a system, addressing high-level concerns like scalability and security. Design, on the other hand, focuses on implementation details. It's essential to choose the right architecture based on our system's specific needs. This concludes today's session on software architecture. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. Let's open the floor for discussion.